Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is number 832, flipping an image. So just going to read through the spec here. Given an n by n binary array matrix, flip the image horizontally, then invert it, and return the resulting image. To flip an image horizontally means that each row of the image is reversed. For example, flipping 110 becomes 011. To invert an image means that each 0 is replaced by a 1 and each 1 is replaced by a 0. For example, inverting 011 results in 100. Input image 110, 101, 000. So first it says to flip it, so this would become 011, this would stay 101, and this would say 000. So that's what I've got here. And then it gets inverted, so then each 1 turns into a 0, like so. Each 0 turns into a 1, each 1 turns into a 0. And that's how we get our output. So, constraints, n has to be equal to the image's length, and n is between 1 and 20. So there's going to be between 1 and 20 rows, and n is equal to, for each row there's also going to be between 1 and 20 items, and it can, each element, each pixel I guess, can either be a 0 or a 1. So I'm going to take this into my notes and write down some ideas. So off the top of my head, I think we should loop through each row, create a temp variable called fixed row, or flipped row. Flip row. Loop through each element in row, going backwards. If element is 1, add 0 to flipped underscore row. If element is 0, add 1 to flipped underscore row. And then we're going to add flipped underscore row to output. Output is an empty array. A temp list. Add flipped row to output. And then we're going to return output. So I'm going to copy and paste this into LeetCode. Output is going to be equal to an empty array. Loop through each row, so for row and image. Then we're going to create a temp list called flipped underscore row is equal to an empty list. Loop through each element, so for pixel in row, if pixel is equal to 1, flipped underscore row dot append 0, else flipped underscore row dot append 1, output dot append flipped underscore row. Return output. Let's see if this passes or not. Okay. Aha. We didn't reverse it as well. Look for each element in the row going backwards. So for pixel in range length of row going back -1 step at a time. Well, yeah. We'll say 0. I think we have to put this parameter in here. 0 to the length of row, going back -1 step at a time. So if pixel is going to be pixel, it's going to be, sorry, row pixel. Let's try this. Hmm. Maybe it's just this. Um, Maybe it's -1. If row at index pixel 1. Let me just look this up. Backwards loop Python. I don't know how I've managed to forget this. How to loop backwards in Python. Then so go from this to 0. It should really be this -1. Okay. Because why is this not working? For pixel in range length of row -1 to 0 going back -1 steps. I'm gonna do print pixel. Nothing gets printed. Just print the length of the row. Let's see what this gives us. Gives us 3, yep. Oh, didn't put a comma in here, that would help. Okay, getting somewhere. I think that if I was to do this, it will not go out of range, yeah. I think we need to go from here to -1, -1. Because you want to go up to and including index, up to but not including index -1, which would take you to 0. So, yes, accepted. Let's submit it and hopefully accepted. So, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, leave a comment. Or if you maybe had some other solution that was a bit more efficient or just different, again, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching the video and I hope you have a great day. Bye.